What's up, peoples? Question with Ox, back at it again. I got my son a digital RGB clock off Amazon. He's been using it to learn how to tell time and count numbers. Um, so it's been working out really great. I just want to free up a little bit of space on his desk. His desk is tiny, so decided to mount it to the wall. I love these little things, these little screw mounts. No hammering, no nails, no nothing. Just after attaching the nail, just simply just hang on. The balance is a little off right here. It's just from the cord weight throwing it off. But once I hang up everything, it'll be balanced out. My initial plan was to use the TV's USB to power the clock. But as I started assembling everything and actually mounted the TV, I realized the output from the USB wasn't enough to actually power the device. So what I ended up doing was getting an extension for the USB power supply and running it down the wall mount hide kit that I had previously installed. Luckily, that was already in place, so I didn't have to run a drill or put in another one. This right here is where I'm figuring out that it's not enough power coming out of the outlet to power it, which is strange because sometimes these things can power Roku devices. I don't see how why it's pulling more power than a Roku device, but it is. This is me feeding the cable, the extension down through the cavity in the wall, pulling it through the hiding mount. These things are awesome. It clears up your wall, hides everything, makes everything look nice and professionally. Now with everything installed, just plugging in, powering on, testing. I probably should start testing things before I put everything back together, but I'm hard headed. I'm a glutton for punishment. That's all I can come up with. Luckily, everything is working. I'm trying to balance out the weight so the cord won't offset it, cause it to tilt. I just wrapped up the cords, took them into the hole to the cavity in the back. I've done this so much, I've got good at balancing the TV while I plug in everything and remounting it. The first time I did it, I almost knocked myself out. The TV falling and hit me in the face. I was scared to death I had broke the TV. But here's the finished product. There was a lot of glare, so you can't really see the light too much, but it looks really good at night. I'll attach a pic and a small video at the very end. Thanks for watching. Like, follow, subscribe, share. Everything helps.